Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2, Foundation Engineering, Section 3. Bright Mag Built. Established by Aminul Hakimah, registered as a trust contractor, Grade 6 contractor. Field of multidisciplinary construction engineering practice and have 3 persons in charge in compiling work. Our vision to lead the region in innovative breakthrough solutions for public infrastructures and property development. Next, our mission was to deliver innovative infrastructure and premier lifestyle properties to our customers through our core businesses in infrastructure development and construction, operation of infrastructure facilities, and property development. This is the board of consulting team, which start from project manager is Aminul Hakimah, site engineer Michael Pangnimi, site manager Norma Sarah, safety manager Isha Kamina, and general manager Leslie Dimas. This report presents outcome of site investigation in proposed commercial development of 20 units 3-story shop house on lot 2474 Miri Granville, Sarawak. Next, in our project, we need to analyze the soil properties, also need to determine the load carried by each column. Next, we need to design the shallow foundation by the Zari's equation, also the settlement checking by Riemann-Roch equation, so we have to go deep. First, we go to the site investigation report, which called as SI report. It began on October 1993, complete on December 20 in 1993. It was a laboratory test were performed on soil and rock samples. The soil samples were collected using 300 meters long thin-wheel sampling tubes. And next, the soil sample was stored in a standard wooden box labeled with the depth of the sampling from the top to bottom. There are 5 laboratory tests that we need to undergo, which first is moisture content on soil samples, density on rock samples, water absorption on rock samples, compressible strength on rock samples, and next is chemical test on soil or rock samples. All of these based on the PS Standards Code of Practice and Design Manual. For the soil properties, they have a subsurface condition based on field investigation data and including elevation of the given value. Next, we have the subsoil condition. The soil layers in this area can be divided into the following categories based on the information gathered from workforce 1, 2, 3, and 4. They have 5 layers of soil, which first is topsoil, the second layer of the soils. It has a range of thickness from 0 to 0.15 meters and depends on where the boreholes went up. Next is the sand layer. It depends on the depth of the soil, made up of medium density, like brown, reddish, and yellowish brown sand. Next, we have the seed layer, which borehole were dug a layer between 0.15 and 30 meter depth. The depth of the soils made up of very stiff, reddish brown, and dark gray. Next, we have the gravel layer. It's very dependent on where the boreholes are. Some gravel was with sand and seed layer. A weak, slightly weak, and extremely strong seed stone. Thick stone layers. This layer is composed of hardly weathered sandstone and thin, dark granite. It is yellow-brown in color. This layer ranges in thickness from 24 to 37 meters. Most of the sandstone layer is found in the borehole 1. For drilling part, we have the rate of drilling. It's important to keep track of the borehole's depth and the end of each day or shift. It's also important to measure the actual penetration rate for each run and segment of the run. For the casing, the diameter casing not be recorded unless it's necessary for the interpretation data to know the casing installation is progression in relation to the borehole's depth. First type of sampling is disturbed sample in order to ascertain the soil type, gradation, classification, consistency, density, presence of contaminants, and stratification. Disturbed samples are typically obtained. Since the sample procedure changes the sample natural structure, they are regarded as disturbed sample. Next, go to undisturbed sampling. It is in situ strength, compressibility, which is settlement, and natural moisture content. Unique weight probability, discontinuities, fractures, and features of subsurface formation are all evaluated using the undisturbed sample. Let's look for the result and analysis. First, we obtain the grouping of the column load. They have a 4 type of number of borehole, and also the column load is stable. Next, we get the data for the friction angles, water level, also the cohesion based on the boreholes that we obtained. For design foundation, we use the shallow foundation with 3 meters, and type of soil is medium dense light brown reddish of very silty sand, and we get the ground level for the bedrock was 94.05 meters. This is example calculation for the size foundation using BH1 soil properties with load from 0 until 39 kN. By using try and error method, the site foundation for borehole area 1, which is 0.3 meters times 0.3 meters. This figure shows the summary of the load and the site foundation of the column. For the settlement, we use the Borlaug area 1 column involves C5, C7 and C7 each carried the same settlement value. By using the given soil values, this is the detail for the soils and the description. From the given foundation values, we obtain the load subjected on the column, which is 39, and total load was 45.4 kN. For settlement calculation, by using Meyerhof equation, we get this type of formula. Also, this table shows the layers, depth, and also the details by using the formula and influence factor. By using the formula and the settlement calculation, we obtain the column used to calculate influence factor. This table shows the summary for the total settlement for each borehole areas by using the Meyerhof equation. To be concluded, the smallest settlement that we have obtained was about 10 mm, while the largest settlement that we had obtained was about 73 mm. Since settlement was less than 25 mm and more than 65 mm, site for this foundation needs to be recalculated and redesigned. That's all from Group 2. Thank you.